Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all of you here in online classes of mathematics. Our today's topic is multiplication of decimals. Decimal multiplication is of three types. Decimal multiply powers of 10. Second, decimal multiply by whole number. Third, decimal multiply by a decimal. Let's start our today's topic with decimal multiply by powers of 10. When we have to multiply a decimal by powers of 10, what we will follow? We will multiply 246 in place of 2.46. We have removed its decimal, and 1 can be written as 1 multiplied by 10 because 1 multiplied by 10 will be equal to 10. Now, first we will multiply 246 by 1. 246 multiplied by 1 will be equal to 246. And when it will be multiplied by 10, there is 1 0. So we will place 1 0 here. But our answer is not completed because we have to place this decimal point also. This decimal is placed after 2 digits, 6, 4. So it is placed after 2 digits. So we will place our decimal point after 2 digits from right hand side. 0 is the first digit, 6 is the second digit. So we will place our decimal point here. So final answer is 24.60. Start second example, 3.145. Remove this decimal point, then it will become 3145, and 100 can be written as 1 into 100. Multiply this by 1. 3145 multiplied by 1 will be equal to 3145. Now multiply it by 100, and in 100 we have 2 zeros, so we will put 2 zeros here. But still this answer is not completed. We have to place this decimal point, and this decimal point is placed after 3 digits. So we will place our decimal point after 3 digits. So 1, 2 and 3. Here will be your decimal point. So the final answer will be 314.50 answer. Third example, 0.598 multiplied by 10,000. Remove the decimal point, then it will be 598. 1000 can be written as 1 multiplied by 10,000. Multiply 598 by 1, then it will be 598. After multiplication of 598 by 1, answer will be 598. Now we have 4 zeros, so place 4 zeros here. Now we have to place decimal point, and decimal point is written after 3 digits. So we will place our decimal point after 3 digits, and it will be your answer. Move on to next topic, decimal multiply by whole number. 2.46 multiply by 2. On the same pattern we will solve second part. Right here 246. Remove the decimal point and multiply it by 2. 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 2 2s are 4. So answer will be 492. But it is not completed. We have to place decimal point. Decimal point is placed after 2 digits. So we will place our decimal point here, and it will be your answer. In second example, we have to multiply 1.896 by 12. So remove the decimal point, then it will be 1896, and multiply it by 12. First we will multiply by the unit digit 2. 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 9 2s are 18 and 1 19, carry 1, 8 2s are 16 and 1 17, carry 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Then we will place a multiplication sign. Now multiply by tens digit. Tens digit is 1. When we multiply by 1, 1 into 6, 6, 1 into 9, 9, 1 into 8, 8 and 1 into 1, 1. Now we will add them. 2, 15, 17, 12 and 2. So the final answer will be 2262. 4752, but still it is not the final answer. We have to place the decimal point. Decimal point is placed after 3 digits, so we will put our decimal point here. It will be our final answer. What you observed by multiplication of decimal by powers of 10 and decimal multiply by whole number. First of all, we will multiply the numbers without decimals. Means first, in all the cases we will remove the decimal point, and simple we will multiply a whole number by multiply by whole number. After getting multiplication, we will place the decimal point. So these are the two methods which we have completed here. Now move on to third topic, decimal multiply by a decimal. In this part, we have to multiply 2.48 into 1.9. What we will do? We will multiply simply 248 by 19. We have removed both the decimals, decimal point here and decimal point here. We will apply the concept of decimal points later. So just simply multiply 248 by 19. 9 8s are 72. 9 4s are 36. 36 and 7. 43. 9 2s are 18. 22. Now multiply sign. 1 into 8 8. 4 and 2. Add them. 2 11 7 4. So answer will be 4712. Now the question arises, where we will place our decimal point. The decimal point is here after 2 digits, 8 and 4, and here after 1 digit. So total places, count total places. Here decimal point is placed after 2 digit, and here decimal point is placed after 1 digit. So total places are there 3. 2 places are here and 1 places are here. Total 3 places. So after 3 places we will put our decimal point. Answer will be 4.712.